Hello everybody. So today I want to go through MySQL. So once you have get the credential, basically what you want to do is to do show database, which will show all the database. So right now we have MySQL, Loot, PHP, my admin proof, sys and WordPress. So I want to go inside WordPress. So what I can do is use WordPress then semicolon. So I am inside the WordPress. So in order to show all the tables, so it's very simple, right? It's we can do tables. So now we have all the tables. So next is, so I want to see all the username as well as login. So what I can do is, okay, so select, we can use select, then user login, then user pass. So this will show all the uh, users as well as password from WordPress users. So I need to end with semicolon. So now we have got all the user login as well as user password. So this is the basic basic MySQL that you need for hacking. So thank you.